Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Very impressive movement today on this one. I mean, especially when you consider that just on Wednesday, the price was all the way down here. Now the price has worked its way all the way up to where it has. So like I said, definitely a good bullish day and a lot of updates and house cleaning need to be done. I'm going to go ahead and actually delete these lines out. Sure, those levels all still pertain to the chart. They're just not necessarily relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. And there's really two main areas that stand out to me moving forward. The first level is just this overarching trend line right now, which, to give credit where credit's due, has done a fantastic job of just showing the overall trend of things. In fact, let me change that to green to represent more of a bullish situation there. And you can see right now that moving forward, at least in my opinion, that's the trend that I would watch. So I don't care how dramatic things get, meaning I don't care if the price goes up here and then comes all the way down here and then explodes and then comes down here and explodes and comes down here. As long as the price stays above that green line, think about what all that drama would still be producing. You'd have lows there. 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 And if you envision those as stair steps, well, you get the idea, right? You'd still have stair steps progressing in the upward direction despite all this potential drama that might play out. So as far as kind of just an area that cuts through all the noise, cuts through all the drama, in my mind, that trend line does a very good job of that. Now, of course, if the price drops down to that trend line and blasts down through it, well, at that point, that's a much different discussion. But as right now, not only is the price up above that green line, but the price, I mean, isn't anywhere near to even, potentially breaking down through it. And then the other key area to watch moving forward, let me squeeze this down here, is all about that pink line up there, which on my chart represents the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, and that is currently valued at right there around, we'll call it the 25.85 mark. So that's an area that you would want to watch from the resistance side of things if this uptrend is going to continue. But all in all, in terms of just applying the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid, key level of support going to be that trend line, key level of resistance going to be that 200 period moving average. So let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.